Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. Once you have your image pulled up, the first thing I want you to do is to duplicate the layer, and then we'll apply the levels adjustment to it. This will help us increase the contrast. So play with these sliders in the level adjustments box and make sure it has a nice bright white contrast. Next, I'm going to merge these two layers and then convert to a smart object. Next, we'll apply the Gaussian Blur filter. So go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. We want the blur effect to smoothen out the rough edges, and a value around 9 looks good to me. And then we're going to save this PSD file because the next filter that we apply will require an external file for it. So I'm going to save it as a -blur file. And we don't need the Gaussian blur anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of it from this view. Next, we're going to add text. So I'm just going to select the whole canvas, copy paste some of the Albert Einstein quotes. Few things to note here. I removed all the new lines, and after it's pasted, I made sure that the size is really small. So I selected 2.5 and made sure it's all caps. Next, we're going to convert the text layer into a smart object and select filter, distort, and displace. I'm going to leave in the default values of 10 and 10. Click OK, and then select the blur PSD file that we saved in one of the earlier steps. Next, I'm going to move the levels 1 layer all the way on the top and apply a clipping mask. So click on layer and then create clipping mask. Now that we have distorted text in white in foreground, I'm going to create a new layer and fill it with all black color. This will give us a good contrasted look. Notice when I zoom in, you can see text in the black background. To get rid of it, click on the quick selection tool, then click select subject, and then add a layer mask. Now let's see the before and after. There you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.